This is Wugong County, located in the hinterland of Guangzhou Plain. Wugong is the birthplace of Li Shimin, Emperor Taizong of Tang Dynasty. He is considered one of China's greatest emperors. According to historical records, Li Shimin was born on January 23, 599 AD in the Li family villa of Wugong. Li Shimin's father, Li Yuan, has many villas in Wugong, so there are at least two theories about the specific birthplace of Emperor Taizong, one being Qingshan Palace and the other Baoben Temple. This is Baoben Temple Pagoda. After becoming emperor in 626 AD, Li Shimin had his house converted into a Buddhist temple called Baoben Temple to honor his mother. Every Buddhist temple must have a pagoda. Li Shimin built a wooden pagoda while constructing Baoben Temple. The wooden pagoda was destroyed in a war at the end of the Tang Dynasty. In 1039 AD, the pagoda was rebuilt as a pavilion-style brick tower with 7 levels and 8 sides, standing at 39.66 meters tall. Due to the construction of the pagoda, Baoben Temple is more likely to be Emperor Taizong's birthplace. In the 1980s, heavy rains caused the pagoda to lean and deviate from its center by 2.78 meters. In 1987, while cleaning the base of the pagoda, over 100 cultural relics were discovered in the crypt, including gold and silver coffins, silver bowls, bronze mirrors, and 41 precious Saraira relics. The mortar of the bricks suggests that the current Baoben Temple Pagoda was likely rebuilt in 1987 on the original Song Pagoda.